Hi, and welcome to my channel. My name is Erin. I'm a clinical aromatherapist here at Erin's Herbs. On this channel, I do weekly uploaded videos teaching you how to create your very own skincare products from the comfort of your own home. So whether or not you have never made skincare products or you have some experience, I hope that you will find this channel very informative. So let's get started creating. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this oil-based solid perfume fixative. This is designed to be used underneath perfume to help the scent last longer. This particular fixative is unscented and it's a beginner-friendly formula. So let me go ahead and show you the step-by-step process on how you can make this. To start out with today, I'm weighing some beeswax into my beaker. This is going to act as the fixative in this formula by slowing down the evaporation process of the perfume, which in return will help the aroma last longer on the skin. Beeswax is also going to be what helps to combine the other ingredients and make it into a solid. So now that all the beeswax is in my beaker, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and place this on my stove in the double boiler and allow this to gently simmer, making sure that all that beeswax is completely melted. While that beeswax is gently simmering on the stove next to me, I'm going to go ahead and take this opportunity to weigh out the rest of the ingredients in this formula, starting with jojoba oil. Now, jojoba oil is going to be the ingredient that's going to help to soften that beeswax and make it more spreadable and easy to apply to the skin. This will not clog the pores and it mimics the same sebum that our body naturally produces. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add a carrier oil known as baobab. You've heard me use this before on this channel. It is rich in vitamins E and omega-3, 6, and 9 fatty acids. Now, the vitamin E is going to help to extend the shelf life of the other ingredients being used in this fixative, and the omega-3, 6, and 9 is going to be very hydrating for the skin. I like this particular ingredient because it is lightweight, it is suitable for all skin types, and it's not going to leave a greasy residue because the oil penetrates the skin quickly and it will leave the skin feeling nice and soft afterwards. This next carrier oil, rice bran oil, is really going to help to bind the fragrance from the perfume you're using and enable the scent of that perfume to last longer on the skin. This is a quickly absorbed oil that's not going to leave your skin feeling greasy or heavy, and it will just really give the skin a nice, soft, velvety feel to it. Vitamin E, as I mentioned earlier, is going to help to prolong the shelf life of the other ingredients, but what it also can do is it's going to protect the skin from any environmental damage and really strengthen the skin's barrier. After adding the vitamin E, I'm going to go ahead and remove this from the scale, and I'll be stirring this for about 60 to 90 seconds just to get everything nicely combined together. This is going to give me a very effective product at the end just by doing this action. I'm now going to go ahead and quickly pour all of the ingredients into my containers here. Now, depending on the size of the container that you're using, it could make one finished product or it could make multiple products, if that makes sense. So for me, because my containers are small, this made 4 different containers full of this fixative. Now, you want to do this fast again because the beeswax does cool down and it becomes harder to pour. Once the pouring is done, you can see here that the bottom parts of this container are a little lighter. That just means that it's become harder than a liquid. And then let me just show you what it looks like as you're looking on top of the product here in this particular frame. So you can see that it's still oily at the top, so it hasn't completely cooled down. You want to allow that to completely cool down before, one, you use it, or before you put the lid on it. To use this, it's pretty straightforward. You're going to apply a small amount of the product to the pulse points, such as the wrists or arms, allow it to absorb for about 30 to 60 seconds, and then apply perfume on top of it. This product is unscented and it is designed to be layered. All right, so let me go over with you substitutions. For the beeswax, candelilla is a good option. Broccoli seed oil can be used for the Abyssinian oil. And then when it comes to the baobab oil, use argan oil. Instead of rice bran oil, use olive oil. And then when it comes to the jojoba oil, I would recommend using grapeseed oil. Just keep in mind that the shelf life of grapeseed oil is very small, so it will be something that you will have to use within a 6-month time frame. So thanks for watching, and if you'd like to see more DIY formulas, don't forget to like and subscribe.